Hi children, good morning. Have a good day. How are you all? I hope you are all good and healthy. Today we are going to see grade 5 English subject. In that English unit 2, one of the poem we are going to see today, that is the name of teamwork. What is mean by teamwork? Do you have any idea? Teamwork means when two or more than two people combine together to do some works. It's the meaning of teamwork. Okay, children, do you like to play? Which game do you like to play? Here, one side football team, another side basketball team have. For such games, what we need? We need team or teammates, isn't it? Yes. What are the advantages of teamwork? Do you have any idea? In teamwork, we will get more ideas, more creativity, and more people to complete your work earlier. Isn't it? It's a important thing in teamwork. Okay, children, let me go to our poem. What is the name of the poem? Teamwork. Okay, here in this poem, three stanzas have given. Let me see one by one. This poem has written by Jan Nicro. She is Jan Nicro. Okay, you see the first stanza. You see, teamwork, 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 teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. Together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. Okay, what's the explanation of first stanza? So, children, point is saying when we work together, we can do any difficult work easily and effectively. In team, we have people with you to share the feeling of happiness when you complete any work together. For example, children, what we see in cricket match, when we win the match, you must have seen how players enjoy their victory, isn't it? Like that. Next, second stanza, we will listen. You see, it's fun to shoot. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody pauses, then nobody shoots. But if nobody pauses, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on. And the relay race just can't go on. If nobody wants to pass the baton. If nobody wants to pass the baton. What's the meaning of second stanza means? In this stanza, poet has given the example of games to show that every person in the team is important. And as a team, we should see that everyone is participating. Like if in a basketball game, nobody passes the ball, or if in a relay race game, nobody passes the baton, we cannot win. And if a team wins or loses, everyone should share the responsibility for that. It is the meaning of second stanza. Let me see third stanza. You see, we are the parts that make up the whole. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. And we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. When a you or a me become an us. What is the meaning of third stanza means? So, as a part of any team, we make the team complete as we all want to achieve the same result or plan. On some occasion, it becomes very beneficial or a big advantage when I and you work together as a team. Okay, children, have you all understood this poem? I hope you all have understood this teamwork poem. Okay, today we will see some new words. You see, first one, teamwork. Teamwork. Teamwork means combined effort of a group. Hoop. Wooden or iron ring trundled along my children. Hoop, wooden or iron ring trundled along by child. Pauses. Move onward. Pauses. Move onward. Relay race. Race between teams of which each person does part of the distance. Baton. Short tube or stick carried in relay race. Baton means short tube or stick carried in relay race. Okay, children, let me have your fun now. Read the poem. You can repeat it with me. Just listen and repeat it. It's for fun. For want of a nail. For want of a nail. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of a shoe, the horse was lost. For want of a shoe, the horse was lost. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. For want of a rider, the battle was lost. For want of a rider, the battle was lost. For want of a battle, the kingdom was lost. And all for the want of a horseshoe nail. It's a traditional poem. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed this one. Okay, let me move to our homework session. You see, in your book, have page number 22. Let's read. Complete the following sentence. The two questions have given. First question, you see, if nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, then you can't what? You can't shoot. Here, want to write shoot. Okay, like that. Another question also, you want to do it. Next, think and write. You want to do it. For example, you see, first one, to play cricket we need. For playing cricket, what we need? Batsman, bowlers, fielders, coaches. Isn't it? Those members only will help to play the cricket. Without those members, we can't play the cricket. Isn't it? Like that, you want to do second, third and fourth. What is the second question you see? To make a film, we need. To make a film, what we need? That you want to write it here. Third one, to run a good school, we need. If you are running a good school, what we need? To run a restaurant, we need. For good restaurants, what we need? Those questions you want to write it in your book and send it to me. After that, you see, it's a rhyming words. It's very simple to do it. You see, first one, words from the poem I have given. Team plus done, hoop, shoot, goal, joy. Those words given from the poem only. Okay, your own words for team, Beam has given. Like that, you want to do plus rhyming word, one rhyming word, hoop, or rhyming word, shoot, rhyming word. Like that you want to do it. Okay, children. Next you see, now form questions for the answer given in the speech bubbles. Okay, first example I will tell you. You see here questions we want to write it, answers they have given. What the answer they have given? The shoe was lost because of the nail. Okay, the shoe was lost because of the nail. What the questions will come? Why was the shoe lost? Okay, like that we can write it here. This another two questions you want to make a question for answer. Because the answer have given in the brackets, you want to make a questions. Okay children, I hope you all have understood the lesson and do your homework carefully and send it to me. After that, one homework also given. Read the poem 2 times and take audio once. Read new words and write 1 time. This are also send it to me. Okay children, meet you next class. Thank you.